In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a direct message in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily communicate with your teammates one-on-one. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to open Slack on your computer or mobile device. If this is your first time using Slack, make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see a list of channels on the left-hand side of the screen. Don't be overwhelmed. This is the main area where all your communication and collaboration happen. Among these channels, there's an option labeled Direct Messages. This is where you'll find a list of people in your workspace that you can directly contact. To send a new direct message, simply click on the plus icon next to Direct Messages. This will open up a new window where you can search for the person you wish to chat with. Begin typing their name, and Slack will provide you with a list of names to choose from. Select the name of the person you want to message. It's important to note that you can also start a group message by selecting more than one name from this list. Once you've selected your recipient, hit Enter, or click their name to open a new message window. You are now in a private chat with your colleague. Any message you type here will only be visible to the participants in this conversation. Type your message in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to enhance your message by adding emojis, GIFs, or even attaching files using the icons next to the chat box. Emojis are a great way to add a friendly touch or emphasize your message. After typing your message, simply press Enter to send it. Slack is an instant messaging platform, meaning your message will reach your colleague as soon as you press Send. You'll notice that Slack notifies you once your message has been delivered. If your colleague replies, you'll see their response pop up instantly in the thread you've just created. Another tip: if the person is not online or you've messaged someone who's in a different time zone, don't worry. Your messages will still be there the next time they log in, ensuring smooth communication no matter the time or place. Finally, to find a previous direct message, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen. Typing in the name of your contact will lead you to your past conversation. This feature is incredibly helpful for tracking back to previous discussions or shared files. And that's it. Sending a direct message in Slack is straightforward once you know where to find everything. It keeps your communication organized and at your fingertips. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and enjoy seamless communication with your team.